Yo, what's up guys? I am back with another trade recap for today, for the New York Open AM session. So going into the day, I was super bullish, very bullish actually. After looking at order flow, we did come down and take this 15-minute fair value gap. We just bounced off it very quickly. Yeah, we had the surge in price coming all the way up to take us out to buy side. So I was super bullish going into the morning. Zooming on to the 5-minute. Again, my time frame is 7 to 8 o'clock. And I didn't really see anything in here. It was just a straight move up. I did end up missing 2 good entries though for the open. Let me show you guys. So coming in here, we had a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, exactly what happened yesterday as well. Yeah, coming into the morning, there was this 5-minute fair value gap. Let me remove my drawings. So 7 to 8. Okay, so this is a 5-minute fair value gap that I wanted to see inverse before we had that move up, which is what we had here. We did come down to sweep these sell side areas of sell side liquidity, and yeah, we ended up inversing this before 7 o'clock. So zooming into the 1 minute, there was actually an entry here, which was this 1 minute fair value gap. So I was paying attention to this 1 minute fair value gap, and what we did pretty much is just come right back down into it, tap it. I did want to see a reaction first. Like if we get a fair value gap after the tap of the initial inverse 5-minute fair value gap, but we didn't get that, and we actually ended up turtle souping this low here. I want to try to perfect the turtle soup. I think I've had a model, but I do want to continue backtesting it, and this is exactly what it is right here for turtle soup. But pretty much we souped this, and we just had a huge expansionary move up. I mean, there are obviously more entries just like this one, and again another turtle soup right here. So that was the second entry missed. Coming up here, we did end up having a retracement coming down, I think to 50% of the range. Yeah, like about 50%. Along with another 1 minute fair value gap here. This is a 1 minute, and there was also a 5-minute fair value gap that overlapped it as well, which was right here. So we have a 5-minute and a 1 minute overlapping each other. And this is where I actually took my trade. I wanted to wait for a reaction, and exactly what we got right here. Just get rid of this. Now I know this is outside of my trading parameters. It was 806 at the time. But that is solely because I didn't see anything I liked during Silver Bullet session, that 1 hour time frame. But what we pretty much have is, we didn't really need a sweep of liquidity since we are bouncing off that 5-minute, and it is pretty much like a trend day going up for the morning. But what we did have was this breaker right here as well. So when you overlap a fair value gap and a breaker, I believe that is a unicorn model, which is what I'm trying to perfect right now. I'm trying to understand breakers more, and identifying it easier. But we did have this breaker. This is where I actually took my long position. Right here, stop at the extreme low here, and then targeting 1 to 2. So this is what happened here. I got tapped in. We almost hit my 1 to 2, and then we came right back down to take out another area of liquidity, which is another turtle soup. Right there, and I actually got stopped out break even or in profit. I got stopped out around 0.5%, 50% profit. Or yeah, 0.5% of profit. So I wasn't able to catch this whole move up, but it ended up working out, and that was my only trade today. So yeah, I'm up around 0.5% on the day. Looking at that PM session, we did have exactly what we did yesterday as well. Just have this huge manipulation down here. Had a fair value gap, tap right into that fair value gap, And I believe this is a 5-minute as well. And then we have that reaction here, inversing this bullish beauty array, which is now a Sibi. And then you would have obviously entered here, stop at that high, and then target 1 to 2. And that worked out perfectly as well. Hello? I can't get the fuck. What did I? Ah! Alright, there it is. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Going into tomorrow, I'm gonna see what price does over London. The past couple of days was very clear to me where we wanted to go, like the draw and liquidity as well. So that is about it. All right.